What is up, guys? This is RC Runners here, and today I'm going to be running my RC dirt bike. It has, well, it probably goes about 15-20 miles per hour on the road, and I only drove this once, and I suck at it. So, enough with the chit chat, and let's get this thing running. Got stopped. Oh, gotta stop. well, that's gonna be it. My RC dirt bike. I tried to use the turbo boost on the back, but it really doesn't help. I hope this thing is waterproof because I crashed in my yard and I hit some, and it looks a little bit wet. But the motor is brushed. I want to say. If I move my hand. Right. And it's right here. Right where you see it comes up like a circle shape. It has a bunch of gears in there or a chain. I don't know. I never tore this thing apart. I might make it faster. Probably not, but that's what it is. I'm gonna shut her down. Well, if you guys enjoyed crap, there's a rock stuck in there. There we go. Okay. Well, if you guys like this video, please don't forget, if you would like some more RC videos. I honestly don't know if you like the dirt bike. Probably not. I will do RC adventure hill climbs with my 2-wheel drive electrics. And I don't know if you guys can see it. No, I don't think you can. But way back here, that's where I'm gonna have hill climbs, big hill climbs for my 2-wheel drive electrics. 2-wheel. I'm not gonna lie, even though it's 2-wheel drive, climbs those pretty dang good. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please tell me in the comment section what you would like to watch. RC trucks or RC dirt bike. I would go RC trucks. We'll talk to you guys later.